Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming to this event. Thanks a lot. I would like to know your thoughts about the event organized by Voice of Healthcare and supported by Walters Kluwer Leaders Roundtable for the development of next generation of clinical researchers. Ma'am, how do you think these kind of conference and roundtables can help develop a pathway for the researchers in India?
Very innovative of Walter Kluwer to organize this event. It's addressed an issue not very often discussed, and it brought together people from very different backgrounds so that perspectives could be shared and kind of consensus emerge on a very important topic, how to take forward research in India. I'm glad this event was organized, and many congratulations to the organizers.
Thanks a lot for your views, ma'am. Ma'am, also I would like to know your view on what do researchers in India.
ये ड्राइवर क्या उसको बोल दो अभी आ रही हूँ माय ड्राइवर
So, ma'am, I would like to know what do researchers in India face the primary challenges today?
So what happens in India, let me speak from the government medical college perspective, is we want to be jack of all trades. Rather, we are expected to be jack of all trades. I'm supposed to be a good teacher, I'm supposed to be a good clinician, I'm supposed to be a good administrator, and yes, I'm supposed to be also doing medical research. So and when I work, I'm not supposed to work on one field, I'm supposed to be jack of all trades. I'm supposed to do everything. Therefore, the biggest problem is the people in government institutes don't have enough time. You need time to think of a research question, you need time to develop that protocol, and the new faculty needs that mentorship. Some of them want to do it, they don't know the way forward. So one of the basic challenges is one, lack of time, secondly, lack of mentorship. And if we can facilitate things, if we can empower our teachers, because they are the ones who are going to train the future generation of specialists and undergraduate medical education, medical students, if we can empower our teachers, if we can ignite an interest for research in them and build their capacity, that's going to be the beginning. That's what I think.
Thank you so